In this video, you are going to learn lean manufacturing. Topics I have discussed are: what is lean manufacturing? 5 principles of lean manufacturing, 8 waste of lean manufacturing, advantages of lean manufacturing, and disadvantages of lean manufacturing. Let's start the video. Lean manufacturing is a production process based on an ideology of maximizing productivity while simultaneously minimizing waste within a manufacturing operation. Many manufacturers are using lean manufacturing principles to eliminate waste, optimize processes, cut costs, boost innovation, and reduce time to sell in a fast, volatile, and ever-changing global marketplace. To not take full advantage of all of your resources is to lose efficiencies, and in so doing, stunt production. For many people, the phrase lean manufacturing is synonymous with removing waste, and eliminating waste is certainly a key element of any lean practice. But the ultimate goal of practicing lean manufacturing isn't simply to eliminate waste, it's to sustainably deliver value to the customer. Some well-known companies that use lean include Toyota, Intel, John Deere, and Nike, etc. Now come to 5 principles of lean manufacturing. A widely referenced book, Lean Thinking, Banish Waste and Create Wealth in Your Corporation, which was published in 1996, laid out 5 principles of lean, which reference as core principles in many fields. They are value, the value stream, flow, pull, and perfection. Let's discuss each principle separately. 1. Value. Value is identified from the perspective of the customer, and relates to how much they are willing to pay for products or services. This value is then created by the manufacturer or service provider, who should seek to eliminate waste and costs to meet the optimal price for the customer while also maximizing profits. 2. Map the value stream. This principle involves analyzing the materials and other resources required to produce a product or service, with the aim of identifying waste and improvements. Value stream mapping comprises the product's entire life cycle, from raw materials through to disposal. Anything that does not add value must be eliminated. I have discussed the product life cycle in another video, check the video in the description. Number 3. Create flow. Eliminate functional barriers and identify ways to improve lead time. This ensures that processes flow smoothly and can be undertaken with minimal delay or other waste. Lean manufacturing relies on preventing interruptions in the production process, and enabling a harmonized and integrated set of processes, in which activities operate in a constant stream. 4. Establish a pull system. Lean manufacturing uses a pull system instead of a push system. With a push system, inventory needs are determined in advance, and the product is manufactured to meet that forecast. However, forecasts are typically inaccurate, which can result in swings between too much inventory and not enough inventory. This can lead to additional warehousing costs, disrupted schedules, or poor customer satisfaction. Lean manufacturing is based on a pull system in which nothing is bought, or you only start new work when there is a demand for it. Pull relies on flexibility and communication. 5. Perfection. Lean manufacturing rests on the concept of continually striving for perfection via continued process improvements, which is also known as Kaizen, as created by Toyota Motor Corporation founder Kiichiro Toyoda. It involves targeting the root causes of quality issues, and ferreting out and eliminating waste across the value stream. 8 Waste of lean manufacturing. The lean manufacturing framework that was originally developed by Taiichi Ohno, for Toyota Motor Company, has applications across every industry today. The original 7 wastes identified by Ono have expanded to include one more related to an organization's employees. You can easily recall the 8 wastes of lean by using the acronym downtime, which stands for D stands for defects. Products, services or information are incomplete or inaccurate. O, overproduction. Making something earlier or faster than needed. Making more than what is needed. W, waiting. Idle time while waiting for materials, equipment, parts, people, or information. N stands for non-utilized talent. Not fully utilizing the experience, skills, knowledge, or creativity of your team. T, transportation excess. The unnecessary movement of products, equipment, or materials. I, inventory excess. Overaccumulation of stock beyond what is necessary to serve the customer. M, motion excess. Any movement by the team that is not of value to the customer. E, excess processing. Any additional steps in a process that do not add value to the customer. Let's move on to advantages of lean manufacturing. Number 1. Saves time and money. More efficient workflows, resource allocation, and production can benefit businesses regardless of size or output. Time saving allows for reduced lead times, and better service in providing products quickly to customers, but can also help save money by allowing for a more streamlined workforce. 2. Environmental friendly. Removing unnecessary processes can save costs in energy and fuel use. This has an obvious environmental benefit, as does the use of more energy-efficient equipment, which can also offer cost savings. 3. Improved customer satisfaction. Improving the delivery of a product or service, at the right cost to a customer improves customer satisfaction. This is essential to business success, as happy customers are more likely to return or recommend your product or service to others. Disadvantages of lean manufacturing. 1. Employee safety. By focusing on removing waste and streamlining procedures, it is possible to overlook the stresses placed on employees, who are given the little margin for error in the workplace. 2. Stops future development. Lean manufacturing's inherent focus on cutting waste can lead management to over-focus on the present, and disregard the future. However, these may be important to a company's legacy and future development. If you find the video helpful and informative, give us a like, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to Educationleaves channel.